Hello and welcome to LetzTry. In this class, we study what are validations in Microsoft Access, how to set validations, create two tables in datasheet and design view, and then build one-to-many relationship among them. This is MS Access application window showing the student database created in last video. Remember, we created two tables, admission and exam. Let us open admission table in datasheet view to see the records. It contains 5 records. It has roll number, first name, last name, fees and city fields. Let us set validations for admission table. So open admission table in design view. The bottom section of design view contains field properties. These are the properties of fields that we select from the table. We can set them as per requirement. Validation is one of the field properties in MS Access. It is used to set restrictions for the user to enter correct data in the fields and avoid unacceptable data. Now let us set validation for roll number field. Let us consider a class contains 113 students. Hence, in field properties, go to validation rule and type between 1 and 113. This rule allows to enter roll numbers that are from 1 to 113 and not other roll numbers. In validation text, type invalid roll number, please enter correct roll number in double quote. When user enters unacceptable roll number, he will see a message box showing this text. Save the updates we made for the admission table. We receive this message informing that data integrity rules have been changed. Click Yes to save the updates. Let us check the validation. So, open the admission table in datasheet view. Remember, we have set validation for roll number field. Go to roll number 2 and change it to 250 and press enter button. Instantly, we see message box containing the validation text that we typed in design view. This is because roll number 250 does not fit in the validation rule. Similarly, enter other invalid roll numbers and check the validation. If you enter valid roll number that is between 1 to 113, it will accept. Close admission table. Now let us open exam table. It shows internal marks of 5 students. Let us set validation to the third field, that is BLP subject. Open exam table in design view and select BLP field. Go to field properties and set validation rule as greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 20, because the teacher has to enter internal marks of BLP from minimum 0 to maximum 20. Now enter validation text as marks should be between 0 and 20. Save the updates made for exam table. Go to datasheet view and check whether the validation is working properly or not. Enter invalid marks in BLP subject for any student and see that the error message appears. Let us see how to build one-to-many relationship in MS Access. Know that in one-to-many relationship, only first table will have primary key. This is the start page of MS Access. Click blank database and create a new database. Here I create my company database. This is blank datasheet view of the table. Let us create company table with company ID, company name, manufacturer city and marketing city. We will enter 3 records considering 3 biscuit manufacturing companies, Parle, Britannia and ITC. Save the table as company, close company table. Now let us create another table called products using design view. Go to create tab and click table design from tables group. Add product ID, company ID, product and price fields. See that company ID field is common in company as well as products tables. Set number data type for price and keep all other fields as text only. Save the table as products and click OK button. MS Access shows a message box telling us that primary key is not defined and primary key is necessary for building relationships. As we are setting one-to-many relationship, the second table, that is products table, will not have primary key, so we click no. Open products table and type some product records. Remember, company ID of Parle company is C01, so use C01 for Parle company products, that is Parle-G 2020 and Crackjack. Similarly, type the products of Britannia and ITC companies. Totally, we have added 8 records here. Both the tables are ready, but primary key work for the company table is still remaining. So open company table in design view. Delete ID field as we don't want it. Set primary key to CID field. Save the updates and close the table. Go to database tools and click relationships button from show or hide group. We see show table dialog box. Add company table and products table in relationship window and close show table dialog box. Press on CID field of company table, drag and drop onto CID field of products table. We see edit relationship dialog box. It shows relationship type as one-to-many. Check enforce referential integrity checkbox so that integrity and uniform updates can take place in these tables. Click Create button. We see the join line between company and products tables showing one-to-many relationship. Hope the video is useful for you. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.